Data analyst or data scientist? If you're a fresher and if you're trying to decide between the two roles, it is difficult to decide in the first go, especially if you come from a non-tech background. If you are a non-tech person, then it's always better to start out as a data analyst, because as a data analyst, you need to learn only basic Python and basic statistics. Get a couple of years of experience as a data analyst, make a few projects, and then move into the field of data science. That way it will be easier. But if you're already a tech person, then you can easily decide based on these 5 points. First one, technical skills. For data analyst, you need basic Python, advanced SQL, advanced Excel, any of the BI tools like Power BI or Tableau or Looker Studio, etc. For data scientist, you need intermediate to advanced Python, advanced SQL, machine learning algorithms, few big data tools, MLOps, and good to have would be any of the BI tools and Excel. The second one is maths and statistics. For data analysts, basic statistics, mainly descriptive statistics, important to understand the basic trends in the data, and A/B testing. For data scientists, you need to understand probability theory, hypothesis testing, inferential statistics, and in maths, linear algebra and calculus to understand machine learning algorithms. Number 3 is nature of work. Now this is important to understand what data analysts and data scientists do on a day-to-day basis. Data analysts mainly work more with structured data. They mainly extract and clean structured data from databases using tools like Excel, SQL queries, Power BI, Tableau, and they identify outliers, trends, and insights from the data for business teams. They mainly focus on 2 things: descriptive analytics, that is what happened, and diagnostic analytics, that is why it happened. So they communicate these findings through visualizations and dashboards to the stakeholders and different business teams using past and present data and communicating business insights on what went well, what did not go well, highlighting all the trends and different things in the data. So for them, communication skills are very important. For data scientists, they work with both structured and unstructured data, and they work mainly with Python and SQL. Python including various Python libraries. They work with a lot of data transformations. They do a lot of EDA, a lot of statistical analysis, hypothesis testing, cleaning of the data, transforming the data, mainly preparing the data for model building. Use a lot of different machine learning algorithms, preparing different predictive models, and then deploying those models, integrating those models into real-world applications, and then monitoring those models over time, seeing the performance of those models. Now, for all these activities, communication is very important. You communicate with different teams to integrate the models, to gather the data and all of that. So data scientists also work with past and present data, but mainly for predicting the future, for predicting what the next steps should be. So this is like the kind of work that data analysts and data scientists do on a day-to-day basis. Number 4 is career growth and pay. Data analysts would have roles like BI analyst, product analyst, BI manager, mostly management kind of roles. Data scientists would have mostly AI-based roles, machine learning engineers, advanced analytics. The pay scale for data scientists is generally much higher as compared to data analysts, mainly because the skills required are more niche, it's more technically complex, it's more specialized, more challenging as compared to data analysts. So data scientists generally have a higher pay scale. Number 5 is role suitability. So if you're someone who likes creating more visualizations, creating more dashboards and business reporting and more management kind of roles, then data analyst is something which is more suitable for you. But if you're someone who likes more AI driven solutions and more programming, more machine learning and more complex problems, then probably data science is a role that's more suitable for you. Now, these were the 5 points that will help you decide which role is better suited for you. Thanks for watching. If you like the content and if you like more tips in and around data science, do follow and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.